So for this video I'm going to show how to make this simple fishtail braid style bracelet using only one cord. So this is a great alternative for anybody who finds traditional braiding a little bit tricky, and it still creates a nice pattern. You can just use one coloured cord if you want, but I've been using variegated just to create a little bit of extra detail without the hard work. So the great thing about this method is that you don't have to cut your cord beforehand, so it cuts down on any waste. You can cut it when you've finished. So to get started, you want to pull out a long enough tail end for your tie on end, and then you want to form a loop by going round like that, and then getting your finger through there and pulling out a loop like that. Then you can pull that like that, and then you want to pull this end of the loop, and then you want to pull the working end here up through the loop you've just created to form your next loop like that. And then you can pull on this end to tighten or loosen like that, and then you just want to go in and then pull again on your working end, and then pulling this side, just pull it tight, and pulling this side to make it smaller, and again just reach through and pull through another loop, and then pull this side to tighten this bit, and this side to make your loop bigger, or this bit to make it smaller, and again just pull through your working end and pulling on here to close this gap, and then pulling this end to make your loop smaller, and just keep repeating this until you've got a long enough tail here to create your bracelet. So how long you need to make this and how many loops you'll need will depend on the size of the wrist you're making for, but the great thing about this is that you can measure it as you go along. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can take your working end and just snip. And to fasten off the bracelet, all you want to do is take this working end, pull through the loop, and then tighten. And then you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed one strand fishtail bracelet.